Hey guys, how's it going? Karol Fule from Undisputed Marketer over here, and if you're watching this video, probably doing some research on YouTube or somewhere else about how does Clickbank affiliate program work. So in this video we're going to dive deep into this topic, and we're going to look at the ways how the affiliate program and affiliate marketing work in detail, and we're going to cover all of these stuff up. So let's just dive deep into this, and let's just start with basically what affiliate marketing is, because that's basically how the Clickbank works and all of this stuff. Because Clickbank is basically an affiliate marketplace where you can, as an affiliate marketer or a vendor or a product owner, basically promote products. So affiliate marketing in a nutshell is basically you as an affiliate marketer, you are basically promoting and selling other people's products for a commission. Now, when you think about this, all the businesses in general, it doesn't really matter what kind of business you will take, for example, all of these businesses have basically the structure of selling and basically how it all works, the whole process of the business. So you have the front end, which is the selling part, literally, making the sales and all of that. And then you have the back end part, which is all of the after sales service, the customer service, the delivering the goods, shipping, then there is the refunds, chargebacks, and all of this stuff that happens after the sale is done. Now, with affiliate marketing, these two sides or these two ways are divided, and basically the affiliate marketer, which is you as an affiliate marketer, you cover only the front end part, which means you are focusing purely on the selling part. So don't worry about anything that happens after the sale. Your sole purpose as an affiliate marketer is to sell the products. Now, the back end part is done by the product owner. So again, they are not promoting, or maybe they can, but it's not their main purpose. Their main purpose is to cover all the customer service, delivering the goods, making sure that the customers are 100% satisfied with the product. And when you think about this, it's literally win-win situation, because when you are selling, you don't really have the struggles with all of that shipping and delivering stuff and the customer care and all of that stuff. You are purely focusing on the selling, and you can literally be master in that craft. Now, on the other hand, the product owner has basically the selling part, which is, without sales there is no revenue, no profit. So when this is covered and the product owner knows that this is covered by the affiliate marketers, then they can purely focus on the after sales service and making it literally the best how they can possibly do it, literally making customers 100% satisfied. They have the time, they have the energy, they have the staff to do it, so they don't worry about the sales, because the sales are just coming and flooding from affiliate marketers. They are focusing on the after sales service, and that makes this industry so beautiful, because as it is divided into two parts and to different persons, the whole company of the product owner is purely focusing on the customer service. And that's why you don't have any refunds, or maybe you have a very low number of refunds, and all of this stuff, making sure that the customer is satisfied 100%. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, and Clickbank is basically one of the affiliate marketplaces. It's one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces, and there are tons and tons of products, especially basically they have like literally from all the crafts and all the categories you could possibly think of, and any niche is basically covered in some part to that. Obviously you have more products from certain niche than on the other hand, there are just a few bits from other niches, depending on which ones are more profitable than the others, right? And most of the products are digital, which means that as opposed to, let's say, what is it, let's say to, you know, physical products where there is the shipping and handling and all of this stuff included. With digital products, this is not a worry, because it's digital product which can be delivered through internet, right? So basically all of that cost of shipping and delivering is consumed and into the basically the profits, so you as an affiliate marketer can make more sales as well as the product owner. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketer, right, as an affiliate marketer, you have a very important job to do. You have to make sales, you have to deliver the sales. And basically the most common mistakes that affiliate marketers do when it comes to, you know, promoting their stuff and promoting the products, especially in the beginnings, you know, what we tend to do, and I mean we, because I was no exception to that, you know, I was exactly the same in the beginnings. We tend to literally just, you know, look at this as just an easy way how to get money, how to earn money, and we just splash, you know, the affiliate links all over the place. We do it on Facebook, in Facebook groups, then we do it on different forums, on Quora, for example, or just basically just, you know, not putting the way and the strategies into the place, and, you know, not taking the time and effort into making it something great. And that's why most people, when it comes to affiliate marketing, fail, because they are not willing to, you know, learn a little bit of it and put that work into it, create something special. And, you know, when you are going to just spam the affiliate links, just think about it this way, you know. If you would go on the street and somebody, like a complete stranger, would tell you, buy this, buy that, and so you would just probably hang on loose, stand and ask you, whoa, what is this? Why should I buy that? I don't know you, just get away from me, right? And that is exactly what happens on the internet, right? You just, you know, not face to face, but it's literally that. And most of the time what happens on the internet is they don't tell you get away from me, they just ignore you, right? And so that is sometimes even worse than the face-to-face no, because you don't really know what's the issue, right? You need to find this out. So what is, you know, the secret, or, you know, the key to really success is to making people like you, creating a relationship with the customer, with the viewer, you know. And just going back to the mistakes, you know, this is literally the opposite of what affiliate marketers tend to do in the beginnings, which is just splashing the links, you know, all over the place, and not really taking care and basically caring about the customer. And also the very common mistake is that you basically create a capture page, which is something like, you know, a capture page is basically a one-page website where you create something like an offer or a hook, and you basically offer this offer or thing or whatever you're offering to the customer in exchange for the email address. So they put in their email address, they subscribe, they click yes, continue, and you send them straight to the affiliate sales page, which is again very huge mistake, because it just doesn't work. You are just pushing a sale for them and they're not going to buy. And the simple thing is, again, the example of the stranger on the street, you are again just basically the same. It is just a little bit of a cover up, you know, but in the end it's not going to work, because you are a complete stranger to them. So what are the ways how to succeed with affiliate marketing? As I said before, it is all about creating and building the relationship with the customer, you know. So the customer needs to know you, they need to like you, and they need to trust you, you know. So just an example of the stranger on the street, you know, if that exact thing or product would offer you a good friend of yours that, listen, buy this, whatever it is, you know, it is a good product, it will help you a lot, you would probably take a look at it and decide whether I wanted to buy it or not, right? But with a complete stranger, you're not even going to bother with it. So this is exactly what you want to actualize and to make it happen on the internet as well with affiliate marketing. You want to become like a friend to that viewer, to that subscriber, to that customer, right? So how do you do that? How do you accomplish that? It is all with giving value to the customers. Give them free information. Whatever niche you are in, you can find loads and loads of information, knowledge, tips, tricks, exercises, strategies, whatever it is. Give them value and give them constantly value. It's all about over delivering. Give them value, give them again value, again, and then after some time ask them to buy something, and this is basically what you want to ultimately get, and to get to a point where basically it doesn't really matter what kind of product you're offering. It's all about who it is promoting. So that means that you get to a point where you as an affiliate marketer, you are viewed by your subscribers as an authority, and that means that whatever you're going to offer them, they're going to buy it every single time. Okay, maybe not every single time, but 90% of it they're going to buy because it's from you, and they know that whatever you're promoting is a good stuff and it will help them, and it's going to maximize their profits, or whatever the goal they have to accomplish, depending on the niche, of course. So this is basically how the affiliate marketing work. How does Clickbank work? Is again basically exactly the same, because Clickbank is just an affiliate marketplace where where affiliate marketers and vendors are connected, and you as an affiliate marketer can find products on Clickbank to promote, and the vendors can just post their products for affiliate marketers to promote again. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed this, hope you got lots of value from it. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to know a little bit more about this, about the strategies that we just spoke about, the relationship, and building the relationship, giving value, and all of this stuff, then I highly encourage you to click the link in the description. It's the first link in the description, and you will get a full access to my 4-day free video series where I talk about affiliate marketing, about the strategies, about the building relationship, all of this stuff that we just spoke about in a more detailed way, so you can literally get the gist and the gems, the hidden gems of affiliate marketing, and how to properly do this for your particular business as well. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it, how you do affiliate marketing, and subscribe to my channel as well if you're not a subscriber yet. So this is it. I hope I will see you soon, and take care. Bye, guys.